Mom said if everybody jumped off the bridge, would you do it with them? Apparently so.
We are down at the Whistler Community Center. Did a combination of some meal prep today.
And we also donated non-perishable food items.
We're about to take the group up a gondola. It's actually the world's largest and longest unsupported gondola. Gonna be an amazing, epic 360 view.
I mean, I expected it to just be some lights, just some music, but this was so cool. Not what I was expecting at all, and it felt so real. Like it felt like you were really immersed into whatever was happening.
First time for me. Now there were 4 lines that we had to do today, so I was just thrilled.
We're here with one focus, and that is to
check things off our list.